You can clean the meshes on your AirPods 3 and later with micellar water and a soft-bristled brush. Here's how. Before you start, you'll need micellar water that includes PEG 6 caprylic capric glycerides, such as from Bioderma or Neutrogena, distilled water, a soft-bristled children's toothbrush, 2 small cups, and a paper towel. You can clean all the meshes on the top and sides of your AirPods. You'll clean each mesh 3 times with the micellar water and then rinse it with the distilled water. This should take about 5 minutes, and then your AirPods need to dry for at least 2 hours. Ready? Let's clean the largest mesh first. Add a small amount of micellar water to one of the cups. Dip the toothbrush in the micellar water until the bristles are fully saturated. Hold your AirPod with the mesh facing up and brush the mesh in circles for about 15 seconds. Turn over your AirPod and blot it on a paper towel. Make sure the paper towel contacts the mesh. Now you'll repeat that cleaning process 2 more times. Once you've cleaned the mesh 3 times, you're ready to rinse off the micellar water using the same method. First, rinse the brush by swishing it around in the distilled water. Then repeat the process once. Brush the mesh in circles with distilled water for 15 seconds. And blot the mesh on a paper towel. Use the same method to clean and rinse all the meshes on your AirPods. Once you're done, let your AirPods dry completely. They should air dry for at least 2 hours before you place them in the charging case or use them. And that's how to keep your AirPods clean and ready to rock. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.